let's look at some of the dimensioning things on this particular drawing. The reference dimension here, excuse me. When you place your tolerance, it expands your size of your text there. So you'll need to drag this one a little further out. But to get the parentheses, two different ways of doing it. Here, you can either add a parentheses to the front and the back of the default, or let's see, you can go to precision and tolerance and set it as a reference dimension, which is the preferred method of doing it. Okay, and then that will automatically add the brackets at both ends of it. Okay, the hole here. There's a couple of different ways of doing this, and I'm not going to delete the one I've got. I'm just going to kind of move it over here out of the way. One way is with a regular linear dimension, and you could pull it down, and it gets kind of tight in there, and then you escape out of your command, select it. And let's go move dimension. Let's see. Let's make it a leader. I'm trying to grab the text. And it's going to be kind of awkward getting it all in there because we're violating a rule. Well, in this case, this 0.875 really should be moved up inside so it's not crossing. And then from here, you can edit that dimension and add your tolerance, okay? With whichever method, you know, is preferred. So that's one way of doing that. The other is, since it's a section view and there's actually a hole present, you can use your hole and thread note and just click on that bottom line there and then come down with your leader, and you go to edit that, and you can go to precision and tolerance and expand that. Okay, and then you can add your tolerance that you would have in there. Okay, and that works in that location. It does not work up here because there's no visible hole for Inventor to see. Okay, so that's two different ways of doing that. Everything else is pretty standard. You've done all these things, other things before. So I just wanted to clarify a couple of those things for you.